Oh my goodness. I am honestly trying to contain my excitement right now. I just spotted. I know that could have some value. Hopefully that can get us to that 300 point mark. No way that they had this. Hello, and I hope you're doing well. It's the MCM Hunter, and if you're interested in making a quick dollar at the thrift stores, you're in the right place. In this video, I go to my local thrift store and see if I can find something with value. But first, if you could please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let's get into the video. So just made it in and it is looking a little empty. So I guess it may be just after the holidays. There's not a lot to go around. There's a lot of people who bought just stuff for Christmas and things like that. So that's all right. We'll see. Feeling good about this store. Trust me, this is my go-to store. So let's see. Now, I also did read somewhere that you can get really good deals on vintage t-shirts. It has to be stylish. I'm telling you, I've paid up to like, I think 20 or 30 bucks for a vintage t-shirt. So let me see if I can find the right one with that. I don't know if I'll be able to, but let's just see. This one is pretty cool, but I don't think it's old enough as a Star Wars tag, so I think that's pretty recent. But at $5 a piece, it's not terrible. That may be an option. New Batman. Yeah, not really finding anything in here. So just spotted down there, that glass lampshade. I know that could have some value. I know that those are going up in price. I'm gonna look that up, try to take a picture, see if I can find anything like that. $19.99 on the price. It says added as is, so I'm guessing there's two pieces broken in the front. So I'm gonna leave that there. That decreases the value by a significant amount, so probably gonna leave that behind. Comics could hold a lot of value too. I don't think that Batman one is any valuable, but going forward, that'd be something I'm looking forward to. Just the vintage stuff, something I'll be interested in, but not that comic, but in the future, definitely gonna find some comics. Milk glass galore, and I like this one because it has like a blue hue for my expertise, and I don't have much. But if it has like a bluish or greenish hue to it, that means it's older. So look for those in regards to the milk glass on that. So a little tip for me. Gotta keep my eye on this. This could give us some good deals. My goodness. Oh my goodness. I am going somewhere so I can talk to you. It's a little noisy up front, but I just spotted, a little noisy back here. I just spotted the Amish pattern Pyrex. That is a amazing score. It was behind a glass case because they know it has some value. But if I can get that, that'd be perfect. Each of these dishes are like 30, 40, 50, 60 bucks online. The butter dish goes for like 120. And I feel like if I can package a deal them together on eBay or whatever, I can get like 200-300 bucks. So this is perfect. Exactly what I needed. I am honestly trying to contain my excitement right now. I'm telling you, this is not scripted. I am going live, figuring things out, just looking, and it just so happened that we were able to find the Amish pattern Pyrex set in there. Well, as you can see, we struck gold. We found those Pyrex pieces at the thrift store. What an amazing find. I am telling you, there are things out there in the thrift stores worth money that people just skip over. But unfortunately, this is the end of the video. If you can please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. And also, if you're interested in seeing my series where I go from 10 bucks to 1,000 bucks only using the thrift stores, click on this video right here. But like always, peace.